NCDIR National Center for Disease Informatics and Research recruitment for different vacancies. This is the place of duty will be in ICMR National Center for Disease Informatics and Research Center, Bengaluru, and different disciplines. The programmer, computer programmer, grade B, 32,500 is a consolidated pay. One vacancy, 30 years is the age limit. Master's degree in computer applications or information technology, or bachelor degree, that is BTech in computer science or IT required. This is just desirable experience qualification. You need to have the skills of HTML, SQL, MSQL data encryption, and you need to assist the software development colleagues in different fields of computer. So this is the computer programmer grade B vacancy. Bachelor degree in computers or IT is required. For project assistant, essential qualification is graduate life science, graduate in any science degree and or master's degree in life science or master's degree in relevant health fields is required. One vacancy, 30 years is maximum age. 31,000 is stipend, that is consolidated pay. For project technical officer, 30 years is the maximum age. One vacancy. For unreserved, 32,000 is the pay scale. So graduate in stat or biostats with 5 years experience or master degree in stats or biostats is required. For research associate, 40 years is the age criteria. One vacancy, 60,760 is the consolidated pay. PhD is required to apply for this post, that PhD in public health or epidemiology. A computer programmer, this is in the development of health-based stroke. This is in northeastern region, Bengaluru. For computer program, master's degree or a bachelor degree in computer science is required. 32,500. One vacancy is there. For project scientist B, MBS degree with 1 year research teaching experience, or MD or MS community medicine. So this is MBBS with PG degree is required to apply for this post. Project scientist B, 68,875 is the consolidated pay. Project technical officer, graduate in statistics or biostatistics or master degree in statistics. One vacancy, 32,000 is the pay scale. For project assistant, graduate in life sciences. One vacancy, 31,000. 30 years is the maximum age criteria. For a product assistant, that is administration assistant, graduate in any discipline with 5 years experience is required. 30 years is the maximum age. One vacancy, 32,000 is the pay scale. For product and scientist C, 22,375. This needs a postgraduate degree with a 1 year experience or MBBS 4 years in different specialization. This is another vacancy, computer programmer grade B, a master's degree in computer applications or bachelor degree. Project scientist B, first class master degree in computer applications or information technology, or second class master degree with PhD or bachelor degree in computer science with 1 year experience. If you have 1 year experience after your bachelor degree, you can apply. Consolidated pay is 54,300. One vacancy, maximum age is 35 years. The computer programmer B, again the master's degree in computer applications or bachelor degree in with 2 years relevant experience is required. 32,500 is a relevant pay scale. Project technical officer, 32,000 is the pay scale. One vacancy for SC category, 30 years, graduate in stats or statistics or biostatistics from recognized university with 5 years of experience or master degree in statistics. For project scientist B, MBBS degree with experience is required now to apply for this vacancy. For project technical officer, 32,000, one vacancy, 30 years, graduate in statistics or biostatistics. So knowledge on statistics related domain knowledge is required to apply for this vacancy. And project scientist C, non-medical, 57,600, one vacancy, 40 years is the age limit. So first class master degree in life science or PhD in life science is required to apply for this vacancy. So research associate, 46,800 is a consolidated stipend. You need to have PhD or MD degree. 40 years is of women. SRF Senior Research Fellowship 36,400 is a scale, one vacancy 35-year. Postgraduate degree in biosciences or MBBS degree with 2 years research experience is required in order to apply for the post. Research associate, this is also having experience or a PhD degree in epidemiology or biostats. 46,800 is the required pay scale. So project scientist B, again MBBS degree with teaching experience is required. So all the age criteria will be reckoned by 30/11/2021. This is the date and time of submission of online application. The last date is 30/11/2021 till 5 p.m. So the person discussion with the date and time of personal discussion, that means interview, is based on video conferencing for different vacancies. This is the last date, and they will communicate to your email ID. So for the link for this will be given in the description. Please do check the link. So this is regarding number of vacancies. NCDIR, National Center for Disease Informatics and Research. So various branches of computer science as well as different departments of medical life sciences are also eligible.